When a regular physician looks at hormones, again, he or she just says, gosh, that's just the way it is. This is normal. In fact, if you look at your set of labs and when you get them back, they look normal, but they're not optimal. And by optimal, I mean you don't have what you used to have. You know, like Meredith said, she's been to Harvard, she's been to other places. None of these places could seem to pinpoint what was going on with her. As far as the weight goes, she had lost a little bit, but then gained it back. Well, she didn't have thyroid. So many people are have a misconception about thyroid when they come in, because here's what they're told. They're either told one of two things by their physician. Hey, your thyroid's great, it's fine, you have no thyroid problem. And they're scratching their heads going, but my goodness, I have all the symptoms. I can't lose weight like I used to, my skin is dry, my hair's falling out, I have heat or cold intolerances, all these different things. But they're still being told that it's either normal or, okay, yeah, you know what? You're right at that edge where we can give you a little bit of thyroid. Guess what they do? They give you the inactive form of thyroid, and it's all right up there on the screen. So there's TSH and T4, which are both inactive. That's the only thing they will give you back if they even deem that you have a thyroid problem. Well, when we look at it, we also do a special test called the T3. The T3 is the only active form of active thyroid that you have in your body, and it is not looked at by traditional medicine. So once we give the T4 and the T3 back, those symptoms start to go away. My goodness, I don't have to exercise 2 or 3 times a day because my body's not fighting itself anymore. My skin isn't dry anymore. My hair isn't falling out. It's amazing.